What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to keep working on the ZX10R. I have a lot of goodies ready for this bike. Parts are coming in front, left, center, all over. So it's time to get to work and start installing these parts that are coming in. Okay guys, as you can see, lots of progress has been made. The throttle side is fully installed now. I cleaned that all up. On the left side, everything is good over there. But the one problem I'm having right now, as you can obviously tell, after installing the heated grips on the left side, I figured I might as well test it before completely doing it. This side works. Like, it's super hard, you can barely hold on to it. But this other side, nothing. I messed around with the wiring trying to figure it out. Nothing seems to work. So it looks like this came dead on arrival, which is very unfortunate because I was happy to have this installed with a clean install. So obviously this has to come off again. Gonna get sent back, and I'm probably gonna order the Oxfords and just be done with it. Even though it's a lot more pricey than this one, but you never know. Like, this is what happens when you get the cheap stuff. So gonna take it off and send it back. Oh my gosh guys, I saved you guys the trouble of watching me trying to figure out what was going on with this bike, swearing and cursing and all sorts of things. It was a pain trying to figure out this rear brake light. Because of the accident, a lot of wiring was destroyed, obviously. And when I hooked up this brake light, it would not work. I tried everything. I spent almost 2 hours trying to figure it out. And it all came down to one little cable that was not fastening properly. I don't know how that happened. It was a pain, guys, no lies, but thankfully everything is figured out. As you can see, it's working. Probably going to close shop for tonight. It's way too late. It's almost 9 p.m. Tomorrow, I'm going to get back to this and keep on wrenching. What's up, guys? New day, back in the garage. I left the bike a little bit in a mess to cut the other day, but now we're going to get back to work. We're going to button up the rear end, completely put it back together, install that tail light once and for all, and move into something else that's going to be quite exciting. Alright guys, when I ordered this is supposed to be a tinted or dark smoke reservoir, but obviously it's not, so I don't know if I want to install this. Probably return it and get the dark smoke. I think it's going to go very well with the theme for this bike. So it's unfortunate, but this can't go on. I'm going to close it back up and send it back. So let's get to fixing this. Guys, everything is completely secured over here. Taillight is fully mounted. I'm going to head and close this all up once and for all and move on to the next agenda for the day. Lots of progress has been made on the ZX10R. I'm loving the way this is coming. Over here, as you can see, everything is put together back here. Really good. Inside is clean. Obviously, we did that before. Coming back over here, we're gonna get to cleaning the chain and everything that's in that area right now. As you can see, it's quite filthy. So my goal is to clean out everything as much as possible. Nice and spanking clean. And then hopefully we can get some more parts in and throw it on this bad boy. Okay, she cleaned up really good. As you can see, there's something about having a really clean bike. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. She turned out really good. Obviously, there's some scratches and dents in it. That's not a problem. She's gonna get a nice paint job as soon as I can. Obviously, it's quite cold right now, when the weather gets better, just gonna get a fresh coat of paint on the FREECOM, on the frame, everywhere I can possibly touch it up to make it as good as possible. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's all for tonight. Make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think about the build so far. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Only 10% of you guys who are watching subscribe. That's quite low. Let's get that number up, guys. Subscribe so you don't miss out on this rebuild. I'll be seeing you on the next one.